So today we decided to drive down over here. Yes, we're over here. Kids are playing, as always. And I'm gonna try to do some cutting while he's looking for some more toys, obviously. But thanks to yesterday, I actually now understood why is it that this field is the way how it is. It's because of a flower. Because to clear this is gonna take a lot of investment. Yeah, this is the one. And there's a lot of it. As you can see, this entire field is yellow. Right, I have to figure out the way then. I'll figure out the way. Oh dear. So we came again today. Here we go. There are a few just a little bit turned, but not a lot. So we're not picking any today, but there you go. This is a perfect example again how heavy these tomatoes are, but it's okay. But there we go. We got some more grass and we got rid of some more things. So, but yeah, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed. But look. There we go. If you want to see the beauty in this place, you can see it. If you don't, you'll never be happy with anything. Look at that. And yes, kids were looking for worms. And they forgot to fill up the hole. So, there we go. Let's see. What is the Christmas tree doing? I've definitely taken a chance today by driving onto the land because my feet are soaking wet. So we'll see if I need to get someone with a tractor to come and pull me out. So yeah, but it's a beautiful place. So yes, we've managed to get stuck nicely over here. At least kids are having fun. They're eating blackberries.